Hi, Misty. What are you doing, Hannah? Hi. Well, hello. You are so cute. Hannah's keeping Simba away from you, so... Even though she doesn't know what to think of you either. Look at how beautiful you are. Yeah. I think all the other kitties are jealous. Misty. She's so sweet. Especially with her little gray tail. And her back paws are white. She's so tiny. Look at how big she is compared to my hand. My hand is like bigger than her. Look at that. Let's see if we can get this one in better. Yeah. My hand is pretty much bigger than she is. What are you doing over there, Hannah? Yeah, and I have super long nails if you didn't notice. Both hands. Yeah. There's her little white paws in the back, if you can see them. Yeah, they're so cute. I don't know where Simba went. He's probably watching from a distance somewhere. Where are you going? Huh? Good jump. Yeah, she's sweet. Hey, Hannah. Where is Simba? Betcha Simba's in my room. So yeah, this is Misty Guyette. The newest addition to the family. She is so precious. And look at that, she's back. And there's my water. And on the other side of her is my Captain Crunch cereal. Oh my god. Are you licking that? Oh, that's cute. Oh my goodness. Now how cute is that? Hi. Hey, BB. And she's actually Simba's exact sister. Her mom is his mom, and she finally found Simba's dad again, and one of Misty's other brothers in her litter looks exactly like Simba, so she's the only girl in the litter. Yeah, I have a video of all the kittens in Adorable Kittens, so if you want to see them all, just watch that video. I can guarantee you'll like them. Hey, baby. What are you doing? Don't claw on my butt. Ouch, that's my back. What you doing? Just laying there? Aw, I love that half on your face. Half gray, half white. It's so pretty. Yes.